What's up, my magic beauties? It's your girl Missy Magic, and I'm back with another episode of In the Life of Missy Magic. To my new people, hey y'all, I'm Missy Magic. To my returning people, welcome back, y'all. So today it is Saturday, August the 13th. It's 5:37. Y'all literally been chilling all freaking day. First off, I didn't wake up until 11 because I got in late last night, and I had been up for almost 24 hours. So I slept in. I was supposed to have a video done today, but it didn't work out, so maybe we can do it next weekend. So that's why I'm bringing out this video. Right now I'm just chilling on the porch with Onyx, waiting on my stepdaddy to get here so we can go to the grocery store, because as y'all read by the title, we are going to be making the TikTok grinder sandwich, but it's with a little spin twist. So I found this TikTok, this black guy had made it with like chicken instead, so he put his own little twist on it. So we're gonna try that. I've never bought a cooking channel to a cooking video to my channel, so it's gonna be something different. And plus, I gotta bring out some content. I feel like I gotta record a video almost every single day now. Hopefully I can get to the point where I can post every single day. But this will be, I think, video number 4 that needs to be edited and posted. So if y'all ever wonder why it takes me so long, like I be telling y'all the dates that I'm recording the video, and if you ever feel like it takes me too long to post it, it's just because there's other videos before this one that has to be posted first. So I typically try to post in order when I record. The only thing that is not gonna be out of whack or out of order is my Motivational Monday videos with Missy Magic. Those will have to always be posted on Monday, so even if it was recorded way after videos, it still has to be posted on a Monday. So I'm just chilling out here until he gets here. So I'm gonna take y'all to the grocery store with me so y'all can watch us buy all the stuff, and then y'all gonna see us cook and then make the grinder sandwich. And I'm thinking I want some probably fries or tots with it, maybe some fries with it. So yeah, that's all I'm doing today, and that's what this video gonna be about. Probably gonna be like a whole new vlog tomorrow. That's what I need to do. I need to text Erica. We got our plans for tomorrow. I just gotta find somewhere for us to eat. So I vlogged yesterday, cooking videos today, and I'm vlogging tomorrow. And of course I already have a video for my Motivational Monday that's coming up this Monday. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, because your girl is on the way to the top, honey. On the way to the top. So yeah, I'm gonna just sit out here. I'm gonna chill, and then I'll check in with y'all, I guess, when he make it, or maybe when we on the way to the grocery store. Cause I don't know where he at. He was supposed to have been here, y'all. He called me at 3:21. He was supposed to be here, and it's 5:40. He just called me at 5:30. He on the way. He had to handle some business. Okay, whatever. So I probably just sit here, watch TikTok videos until he make it, and I'll check in with y'all then. Alright, y'all, we in Publix. Here go the list.
So we need to head to the what? The lettuce first?
Yeah, we can head over there to the produce. I need to add chicken. We ain't gonna get the chicken.
So
I need to cut your head.
huh?
There you go. Cut your head. Well, we might as well get the chicken. We right here. Yeah, we back from the store. Darnell knows so many people, so people stopping him and all that. But he bought me some lemonade, some Simplies. So yeah, we got all the groceries or whatever. Gonna get everything in the house so we can start cooking. Let's see how these grinder sandwiches come out. Let me get these groceries out the car so we can start cooking. Alright, y'all, I done washed most of the dishes. I'm gonna go rinse and then probably wash the rest. The only ingredient that we couldn't find or that was sold out, we went to Publix, they was sold out of the sub dressing, the submarine dressing. So that's the only thing we couldn't get, but everything else we got to make the grinder sandwich. And we're gonna eat some fries with ours. I got the chicken seasoned, good and seasoned. So what he gonna do, he gonna cut it up in strips. I think he gonna cut it up in strips so it's easier to cook it. Now what I'm about to do is cut up everything that we need for the actual grinder part. So like the lettuce and then the onion and then add the zesty Italian and the red wine and the banana peppers and then the mayo. I forgot we actually put bacon on ours, so I'm about to get this bacon put in the oven first, and then y'all will see me making the grinder part of the sandwich. Alright, y'all, see me put the bacon in the oven. Now I'm about to make the grinder part of the sandwich, so I'm gonna let y'all watch me do that. Alright, y'all, we making progress. The first set of chicken came out. We frying some more. We gonna put our fries on. I showed y'all the grinder sandwich. I got the tomatoes cut up right here. What else? The bacon is done, so I'm about to chop that up, and then we'll be, you know, putting the bread in the oven. We're gonna top the bread with some mozzarella. So just checking in with y'all. We making progress. All right, y'all, we finna start dressing the sandwich. Here is the finished product. They look so yummy. So we finna fix our plates up with our subs and our fries, and we're gonna taste it on camera to see what it's giving, okay? Alright, y'all. We're here with our grinder sandwiches. So let's taste it for the first time on camera. Stop everything.
Mine is sloppy. Man, that's fire.
Man, right there.
Man, you take that Jason's and all fry like that. That crunch, but it got that lemon pepper no fry like taste. You ain't taste it? Kill you? Bro, on point, like
On
point. Okay then. Okay then. Bro.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10 recommend. Bro.
What you rate it?
Bro.
10 out of 10,
Hey, bro.
man.
Anytime you get 10 out of 10 recommend, fuck around and be wearing that shit on real. Hey, look at man. Real deal. Let's fire.
That's fire.
10 out of 10 recommend, bro.
Good.
You gotta get honest one.
Can I frame this, please? Oh, Jesus! Please! Alright? Can't have nothing. Well, I'll give you a fry. Definitely.
Give me the whole plate.
Red. I ain't gonna lie, that's on point, that on. It's just something with the, I don't know if it's the salad or what that's giving it that kick. And I got the crunch, everything.
I know it's good because I ain't talking.
Man, what you did?
It's fine.
Yeah, I ain't gonna man go to work tomorrow, bro. Who waking him up, bro? Who waking you up, bro?
Me? My mom. You put all that too?
Alright, y'all. Me and my brother ate. He like demolished his sandwich. I ate most of mine. Ate all my fries. Sipping on my little Simply Spiked lemonade. I know I love these. But I hope y'all enjoyed this first cooking vlog. Maybe I'll be bringing y'all more, you know. So I'm probably finna straighten up the rest of the kitchen and then either edit a video or watch Riverdale. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next episode of In the Life with Me, C Magic.